Menteri rang ba kejelau le pentip bagi senam balalet ke Sorkar kelatung kampura yaginong tray belatung adhoc. Kibrio akam haswa kalai pue trek uno pra arajar nyo. Kebakta ekom balai hajar ngot kibrio. Kat kum ke hukum jong yang syari bahet dokari. Menrai meta hadian ke senam arajar nyo kidang dan ginong tray belatung adhoc. Bat kumta ke jengkeli kami bak Sorkar kena kum no yaki. Bat ke yang syari bahet dokari kam syamla ailat banyak cekmat bancutung kampura bet ikini kibrio. Pemta ke Sorkar kahap banyak digelenti ban Pynlong Eksamin bat ke interview balashi mekarai babaro kini ki kam balat on satung pendapno. Ukon rat kongkal sangma ulong ba ke Sorkar kan sailat daga bapenjen sore kerta yo akam mi kinong tre adhoc kiblat tre shipau ne khatsan snem kenang bagin yo banyale ek Eksamin.
Based on a Supreme Court ruling, the people who were appointed on ad hoc basis before 2007, 31st December 2007, we had regularized them last term itself. About 3,000 plus people were regularized. Just to share with the public and with all of you, what does ad hoc mean? Basically, ad hoc means appointments which were made against sanctioned post, but were made without following proper procedure. That is what ad hoc is. A lot of people get confused that ad hoc means temporary post or master role or casual. Ad hoc is, as I said, appointments that were made without procedure being followed, but against a sanctioned post. So, in the past, Supreme Court had given us direction that the government has the option to either conduct interviews and conduct examination and selection process for people before 2007, 31st December, or government can do a one-time regularization of those ad hoc appointments. And as a government, in the interest of the people working there, we decided to regularize those appointments. Now, after 2007, there were still ad hoc appointments that were made. And hence the question arose, what will the government do for those? Now, Supreme Court has not given us the liberty to go ahead and simply regularize those posts. Those individuals who are working in those posts. So therefore, the government has to go for a selection process. Now, just to share with all of you, if we don't regularize this post, then technically speaking, in the records of the government, these posts will always show as vacant, even though there is an ad hoc appointment against it, because the regular process of selection has not been done. And hence we have taken a decision that all vacancies will be filled. And hence these posts of ad hoc appointments made post 31st December 2007 have to be regularized by following a procedure of selection. And hence we will be going ahead and we will be conducting exams and interviews for these posts, which are roughly, as of now, about 1,500 of them. And an SOP has been made today, which has been passed by the cabinet. Now, the important part of the whole story is that these ad hoc appointments which were made, whatever the process not followed in the past or whatever steps they took at that point in time to appoint, we strongly feel as a cabinet that it would be unfair for us to not give them a chance to appear for those selection process and those exams.